Do you think you have a boring life? Maybe you have been doing the same thing over and over again, and your daily routine isn't helping you grow as a person. When you really think about it, on a normal day, you wake up, go to work, go back home tired, and do whatever you normally do before you go to sleep. And then the same thing happens the next day. On your off days where you don't have to work, you wake up, take care of responsibilities, and do whatever you normally do on an off day, and then go to sleep for the next day. Life in general feels pretty plain or normal to everyone since there's a routine you normally follow, and there usually isn't anything too crazy or mind-blowing that happens. If there was something awesome happening, it usually happens on an off day, which makes up a minority of the week. Even if you are comfortable with a predictable and structured existence, you might still end up feeling bored with life, since we all need variety. But is it wrong to feel bored with life? Is it okay to have a simple day-to-day life? The main cause of your feelings of boredom towards life is social media. You see all your friends and celebrities doing all sorts of awesome things, and you start wondering why you don't have anything awesome going on in your life. When you're on social media too long, your brain starts mixing up social media and reality. Your brain ends up thinking everyone is out there living their best life, while you're stuck doing the same thing over and over again. But that is simply far from the truth. People only showcase the best parts of their lives on social media, and what is shown online isn't what happens to that person every day. The things posted online are simply highlights. Since your brain started mixing up social media and reality, you start valuing those off days where amazing things can happen more and start treating them like the norm. Those working days begin to feel boring, and you feel like you're wasting your life away by working. In reality, no one's life is what they depict on social media. All those social media influencers posting pictures and videos about how they are living their best life still have to work. On a normal working day, they wake up, then they have to work on making content to sustain their business and income. Although their jobs seem amazing, they still get stressed out about things, and they probably don't like some aspects of what they have to do, just like you. They experience life the same way all of us do. We all have days where we just work normally, and we all have days where we create amazing experiences and memories. People say that life is short, but is it really? Your life can be cut short by a number of things, from tragedy to illness, but life is going to be long for a lot of people. If you were to break down what life really is, it is simply a collection of your day-to-day experiences, since we experience life one day at a time. A good life is simply a series of good days. So what can you do about the feeling of being bored with life? When you feel that your life is boring, your mind is telling you that you need some change, and you should probably stop spending so much time on social media. The first step is to spend less time on social media, so you stop mixing up social media and reality. When you realize that the posts on social media are just the best aspects, and you start finding joy in your normal working days again, you can then move on to step 2. The second step is to figure out the root cause of your boredom. You're going to have to sit down and ask yourself what is causing those feelings. Are you lonely and need to meet more people? Do you not feel challenged and need a career change? Are you pretending to be someone you are not and feel inauthentic? Once you figure out what is causing those feelings, you can work towards finding a solution. The third step is to do something to fix the root cause of your boredom. Everyone will have different ways to handle it, and most of us have different root causes, so there isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. But if there is something that could help everyone, that would be the fourth step. The fourth and last step is to build good habits you enjoy doing and train yourself to make choices that align with your values. You might have heard the phrase, "you are the sum of your habits" before. If you can change and improve your habits, life will feel more enjoyable, and you won't be bored with your life anymore. Some good habits you might want to pick up are exercising, eating healthy, and being punctual. Also, once you start making choices that align with your values more, you'll feel more like yourself, and life won't be so boring anymore. If you feel bored with life, know that it is temporary, and you need some change. The fix is simple in theory, but it can be a bit hard in execution, so keep trying. Even if your day-to-day life is simple after the changes, it's okay to have a simple day-to-day life, as long as you enjoy it. The exciting moments will come in due time. If you made it this far, leave a comment that says you're the sum of your habits to let me know. If you enjoyed this video and want to check out some videos about habits, click on the videos shown on the end screen below.